I am drawing dog. Showing you the easiest way to draw a dog now. By
You're drawing him, don't make yourself like that.
Do that.
Pónteme de espalda.
That looks bad.
Ahí.
That's good. Guys, I think this is the easiest way to do a dog. And there's a doggy. So people that don't think they can do animals, there you go. It's a perfect dog.
Walk out. Let's go.
Well, I could do better, but like I was only just.
Walk it out.
Now let's make it pretty. Are you ready?
Get that Jimmy, get back fine. Go get that degree.